HTC is a 22-year-old company, primarily into IT services for various industries. HTC has a vertical for healthcare industry as well. We provide a number of IT solutions and software for healthcare hospitals and insurance companies, health insurance companies. HTC is a service company, IT service company, so we don't have any product as such. We provide integration services for web portals, mobile-based solutions for hospital information and lab information systems. We also provide a number of solutions in the BI or business intelligence and data analytics space, both for healthcare analytics, clinical analytics, administrative analytics, and for patient demographic analysis, prospective and futuristic predictions for analytics. HTC also has solutions for workflow management in hospitals, patient workflow management. We call it electronic medical record management. So it starts from scanning and digitization of patient records all the way to incorporating that into an electronic system and managing it through the workflow within the hospital. So it is a customizable workflow-based solution. We have partnership with a number of organizations like MicroStrategy for data analytics, partnership with IBM and FileNet for data workflow solutions. We also have partnership with SAP for any back office and back-end accounting solutions. We have operations pretty much across the globe. We have a development. We are headquartered in Troy, Michigan, in the US, and we have a development center in Chennai, in 2 places in Chennai, and we have a development center here in Hyderabad as well. Our healthcare insurance customers are primarily in the US, and we also have India customers in the healthcare insurance space. We operate out of Malaysia as well with a development center there. But we have global offices in Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, Australia, and in Middle East. So HTC's product has, like I said, it's not a product, we don't have a product, it's an IT solution. But Fortune 500, we have about 10 or 15 of the Fortune 500 companies are our customers. Pride ourselves in being a very flexible organization supporting IT solutions for small or large organizations because we can scale. We have a very flat organization that helps us focus on the customer's needs. So I think Apollo is doing a wonderful service by bringing in healthcare and technology people in the same platform to enable exchange of great ideas across both the industries, and seeing how IT can help healthcare in making changes that are futuristic for the country and for globally. This is our first time participating in the Apollo event, and we are glad that we are here because we could hear a lot of good ideas both in the sessions there and also in interacting with the various delegates that have come and have been invited to this event.